Yeah. So in the last class, we discussed question number uh, sixth of miscellaneous exercise, and please get ready and see the next question, seventh question. Pratham Dilip Gawas, can you read question number seventh? Uh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please read and let us all think how to do it. Yes. Yes, Pratham. I think Pratham is not ready. Nutan Regar, will you read the
Sir,
next?
sir, ready हो गया
Yes,
मैं.
Pratham. Seventh question. Please read and let us suggest how to do it. Huh?
So that the general solution of the differential equation
Hmm.
dy by dx
Hmm. Read it. Read quickly.
y square plus y plus 1
Hmm. dy upon dx equal
plus
to plus
sir plus y
y
square
square
plus
plus y
y
plus 1.
sir upon में x square plus x plus 1
Hmm.
equal to 0
Hmm.
is given by x plus y plus 1
Hmm. Keep reading.
equal to a sir वो बोर्ड से equal to a
Hmm.
1 minus x minus y
Hmm.
minus 2xy हाँ sir
So its general solution is this. This we have to bring. Students, it's two methods there. One method is that from this general solution, get this differential equation, method number one, or method number two, that integrate this differential equation. So how you suggest? Any suggestion?
So by sending the y square plus y plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 equal to side, other side.
Solve it. You are saying, let us solve this equation, correct? Kush.
Yes, sir.
Then separate the variables.
Separate the variable. So we'll let us try to solve it by bringing this on the other side, as Khush is suggesting, and then separate the variable. So let us do it. As usual, please keep writing it on your notebook. Keep solving with me. Separate the variables. This will become dy upon y square plus y plus 1 equal to minus dx upon x square plus x plus 1. Attach integral sign both the sides and suggest me someone how to integrate it.
Sir, by the formula b by 2a whole square.
Whole square, perfect square we have to make. So if you remember, to make perfect square, we have to write this y term in terms of 2 into something. So 2 into what I should write to bring y?
1/2.
1 by 2 into y. Like this you should write. Now 2ab. So y square is present, half whole square should also be present. So you add from your side half whole square, subtract from your side plus 1 as it is. This we have written. Now first three terms will become, will make the whole square. Similarly on the right hand side also you can do dx upon x square plus 2 into half into x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 as it is plus c. Then this will become, please write and search, keep ready your formula, which formula will be applied. It will become y plus half whole square. Next, how much? 1 minus 1 by 4. How much? 3 by 4.
Plus 3 by 4.
3 by 4. 3 by 4, you will write root 3 by 2 whole square. Understand, students? 1, this is 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 you will write root 3 by 2 whole square. Now keep remember 1 upon x square plus a square integration formula, right? I am going to ask you in minus dx upon x. Amit Karwasra, can you tell how much? Amit, listening me?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell the suitable formula which will apply here? You know, 1 upon x square plus a square formula will be applied here. याद है?
Yes, sir.
बताइए.
1 upon a tan inverse x by a.
बिल्कुल, that is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. This is the formula. Apply it here. So this is your a, this is your x. Apply similar formula in the right hand side. We'll apply. We'll simplify and ये मुझे लेके आना है. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. इसको भी रब कर देता हूँ. Yeah. Now this will become 1 upon a. A is root 3 by 2. Tan inverse y plus half whole upon root 3 by 2 equal to minus 1 upon root 3 by 2 tan inverse x plus half whole upon root 3 by 2 plus c. C also let me write c upon root 3 by 2 जिससे मैं उसको कैंसिल कर दूं. root 3 by 2 throw out get cancelled and this becomes tan inverse 2y plus 1 whole upon root 3 plus इसको उस साइड में tan inverse है ना. Are you able to see? Yes. 2x plus 1 whole upon root 3 and c also let me write tan inverse c so that tan inverses पे मैं दोनों साइड में रिमूव कर दूं equal to tan inverse c. Tan inverse c. Now tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula you apply. It will become tan inverse x plus y whole upon 1 minus xy equal to tan inverse c. Remove from tan inverse from both the sides and simplify. And this will become, if you remove tan inverse and take LCM, 2y plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole upon root 3 whole upon root 3 into root 3 3 minus multiply कर रहा हूँ 4xy minus 2x minus 2y minus 1 whole upon 3 is equal to c. Simplify it further. So this is going to be uh, 2x plus 2y plus 2 whole upon root 3 whole upon 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 2x minus 2y minus 4xy into 3 upon root 3 is equal to c. So ऊपर root 3 बचेगा, 2 up and down cancelled, so x plus y plus 1 whole upon 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy into root 3 equal to c. root 3 को upon में, तो c upon root 3 will remain. c upon root 3 को capital A लिख लेते हैं, so x plus y plus 1 is equal to capital A into 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy, where capital A is equal to c upon root 3. Right. So this is completed. So all the students, please check the steps. This only I think we have to bring. This is a proof kind of question. So we have had to show this. This was the general solution. So here we have brought. तो समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स? एक तो हमने परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाया था इंटीग्रेट करने से पहले, फिर हमने ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया, और उसके बाद tan इनवर्स a प्लस tan इनवर्स b का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया, tan इनवर्स a प्लस b होल अपॉन 1 माइनस ab. तो थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफिकेशन में टाइम लगेगा. So I request you all to please complete in your notebooks, keep your work complete. Let us move towards the next question. Nitin, can you read the next question? Question 8. Nitin? I think Nitin is not there. Nitin is not listening. Priyanshu Yadav. Priyanshu Yadav, can you read the next question? 8th?
Yes.
Yes. Priyanshu, ये वाला हो गया?
Yes sir, हो गया.
कुछ बता देना, कुछ भी डाउट
हो
है.
गया sir.
8th क्वेश्चन, और मेरे ख्याल से सभी स्टूडेंट्स इसको लिख रहे होंगे एंड दे मस्ट हैव कंप्लीटेड. प्लीज फील फ्री टू स्टॉप मी टू डिस्कस द थिंग्स विद मी, बिकॉज अगर ये डिस्कस करने के बाद आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो फिर बेकार, तो हमें फिर से डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा, रिवाइज करने में ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. तो बेहतर है कि जब फर्स्ट टाइम हम उसको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तभी अपने सारा काम जो है वो क्लियर कर लें. ठीक है. प्रियांशु यादव, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. यस प्रियांशु, प्लीज रीड.
Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0, pi by 4, whose differential equation is sin x cos y dx plus cos x sin y dx equal to 0.
Can you repeat the equation? Whose differential equation is?
Sin x cos y dx plus
Sin
cos
x
x sin y dx
cos y dx plus cos
x sin y dy.
cos
X sin y dy.
cosec और cos?
Cos
cos x sin y dy equal to 0. Is it? Check. I have written correct.
Yes, sir.
Then, and it is passing from which point? Passing from, students?
0, pi by 4.
0, pi by 4. So I think we have to solve it. We have to find out the equation from this differential equation. So let us solve it. तो कैसे किया जाए प्रियांशु? इसको कैसे सॉल्व करें हम? Any suggestion? Priyanshu Yadav, how to solve it?
Yes.
Suggest?
सर इसको cos x cos y से डिवाइड कर दिया पूरी इक्वेशन को.
नहीं, पहला स्टेप तो सेपरेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, है ना? वो भी चलो सेपरेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. उसके लिए मुझे एक टर्म उधर ले जाना पड़ेगा, है ना? एंड दैट विल बिकम sin x cos y dx इक्वल टू माइनस cos x sin y dy. अब क्या करेंगे? मुझे स्टूडेंट बताते रहेंगे कि व्हाट नेक्स्ट शुड आई डू?
सर बाय शिफ्टिंग.
शिफ्टिंग किसको शिफ्ट करूं मैं?
सर sin x upon cos x into dx equals to.
यस यस, x टर्म्स वन साइड, sin x dx इधर रखा और cos x को भी इधर बुला लिया अपॉन cos x इक्वल टू, और ये वाला जो cos y है उसको उधर भेज दिया, माइनस cos x तो चला गया, तो sin y dy अपॉन cos y.
लगा दे बाहर से.
Yes, this is tan. Now you can do plus c on any one side. So this becomes tan x equal to minus tan y plus c, or tan x plus tan y equal to c. And मुझे ये भी information given है, since it is passing from 0 comma pi by 4. It means that in place of x putting 0, in place of y putting pi by 4. So tan 0 plus tan pi by 4 equal to c. So 0 tan 0 is 1. Sorry, tan 0 is 0. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So c equals to 1. So my final answer is tan x plus tan y equal to 1. Check the answer. Is this the answer? This must be the answer. Check the answer, students. Monisha Ghosh. Monisha?
सर tan x का भी तो इंटीग्रल होगा.
आई एम सॉरी, मैंने तो इंटीग्रल तो किया ही नहीं. गलत, सब गलत. अभी तो इंटीग्रल तो किया ही नहीं मैंने. So what is the integral? So this is what other students also should stop me. Tan x integral is how much, students?
Log sec x.
log sec x.
Log sec x. Log sec x equal to minus log sec x plus c.
Sir, sec
So
y.
log sec y, sorry. So log a plus log b is log ab. Log sec x sec y is equal to c को भी मैं log c लिख देता हूँ, जिससे दोनों साइड के मैं log हटा दूं. तो ये मेरा बन गया इक्वेशन sec x sec y is equal to c. Now since it passes through 0 comma pi by 4, so sec 0 sec pi by 4 equal to c. Sec 0 is how much, friends?
1.
Huh? Sec
One.
0 is 1
1.
and sec pi by 4 is root 2. So here it is my final answer. Sec x sec y is equal to root 2. Check the answer and I hope this should be right. Please check. Is it right? Nandini, Monisha, Neha, at least check करके बताओ मुझे. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Neha. Then let us move towards the next question. 9th question. Monisha, can you read 9th question? Monisha or Nandini, any one of these two? What to say? They are blank. We are calling their name plenty of times and there no response from their side. Monisha and Nandini, you should know that this class being watched and recorded by multiple people and will be made public. So afterwards, facing an embarrassment, better it is to be present throughout the class. And this I'm saying to all the students, all my very dear students. Because later on it will be an embarrassment for you. Harsh, can you read the next question? Harsh? Harsh?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can
sir.
question number next, probably 9th question. And suggest also that what should be done. 9th.
Yes, sir. Find
Right.
the particular solution of the differential equation
Hmm.
1 plus e raised to power 2x into dy
1 plus e to power 2x into dy
2x into dy plus
plus
y 1 plus y
y
square
into
1 plus y square
1 plus y square
into e की power x dx
check.
equals to 0.
Is this right? I have written check.
Yes, sir.
Nandini is saying, sir, my mic is not working. I request all such people that please keep your devices ready. Next, as soon as possible, you keep your make your mic proper. Yes, check. Harsh, is this right? I have written.
Yes, sir.
And x and y
And
value.
given that y equal to 1 when x equals to 0.
Y equal to 1 and x equal to 0. ठीक है. क्या करा जाए इसमें हर्ष? What should be done? We have to solve it. How to solve? What is the easiest method? There are 3 methods we have studied.
Separate the variables.
We have separation of variables. First method we have studied. देन होमोजीनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जिसमें हम y इक्वल टू vx पुट करते हैं, है ना, और एक है लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। तो इनको इसी ऑर्डर में हमें ट्राई करने की कोशिश करनी है। तो सबसे पहले हम सेपरेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। सेपरेट करने में का मतलब है कि y टर्म शुड बी ऑन वन साइड एंड x टर्म्स शुड बी ऑन अदर साइड। सो लेट अस सी। So 1 plus e to power 2x, and students keep solving with me, है ना, then you will get better. अब क्या किया जाए स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे बताते रहिए, व्हाट शुड आई डू नेक्स्ट? किस टर्म्स को इधर उधर करूं शिफ्ट?
So by shifting the y
y
term,
टर्म्स को y साइड और x टर्म को x साइड।
This 1 plus y square I should bring in left side, right? And this 1 plus e raised to power 2x I should bring in the right hand side, है ना, चेक कर लीजिए। और मेरे ख्याल से अब वेरिएबल सेपरेट हो चुके हैं, इंटीग्रेट कर दीजिए, प्लस सी लिख दीजिए। अब मुझे सजेस्ट कीजिए कि लेफ्ट साइड व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला?
so it will be tan inverse y.
Tan inverse y, absolutely, tan inverse y. Right hand side, how to integrate? Suggest me someone, especially those students.
पावर x को t पुट कर दो।
Yes, anyone of the class can suggest me. I'll feel happy. E to power x को t put कर दीजिए is the best way. Let us put e to power x equal to t. Let me first write as it is, then I will, in next step I will put. Let e to power x equal to t. It will give me, if I differentiate e to power x dx equal to dt, differentiate करने से ये आएगा, फिर न्यूमरेटर पूरा dt बन जाएगा और डिनोमिनेटर 1 प्लस e टू पावर 2x का मतलब है e टू पावर x का होल स्क्वायर, समझे, ऐसे। तो e टू पावर x को तो मैंने t पुट कर दिया, तो t स्क्वायर प्लस c, ये फिर से tan इनवर्स बन गया, माइनस tan इनवर्स t प्लस c। इसको लेफ्ट में ले आते हैं, दिस विल बिकम tan इनवर्स y प्लस tan इनवर्स t का वैल्यू कितना स्टूडेंट्स? t वाज e टू पावर x, so e to power x equal to c. Now our general solution is ready. I have to find out particular solution. Particular solution का मतलब है that this value which has been given to you, put there. Where? Here. Right. So substitute. So tan inverse y is 1 plus tan inverse e to power x is 0, e to power 0 equal to c. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, am I right? Plus tan inverse e to power 0 is 1. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4 equal to c. C equal to pi by 2. 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2. So my final answer is tan inverse y plus tan inverse x e to power x equal to pi by 2. Please check the answer, students, and check, is this right?
Yes sir.
करेक्ट है?
यस सर।
यस। तो सभी स्टूडेंट्स आंसर जरूर चेक करेंगे एंड लास्ट लाइन तक मैच करने की कोशिश करेंगे। इट वाज आवर 9th क्वेश्चन। कीप सॉल्विंग स्टूडेंट्स, है ना। लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अभिषेक, कैन यू रीड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
यस सर।
अभिषेक, समझ में आ रहा है ये?
यस सर।
कोई समस्या हो तो बताना, है ना। Please feel free. Yes. 10th question, please read.
Solve the differential equation y e की power x by y
Okay.
equals to x e की power x by y.
X e to power
x by y
x by y
plus y square dy whole bracket dy.
dy dx कहां पर है? dx भी आएगा या फिर ये?
Yes sir, dx.
Okay, check. I have written correct.
Yes sir.
And students, all the students suggest me what should be done. Can I separate the variables? Will it be possible to detach the variables?
No, sir.
Suggest, students.
Sir, it will be dx by dy, and by shifting the y e power x upon x e power y plus y square.
हाँ, तो नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूं क्या, मैं पहला मेथड है, मैंने 3 मेथड पढ़े हैं, सेपरेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल्स, होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। तो सबसे पहले हम ट्राई करते हैं सेपरेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल्स। क्या इसमें सेपरेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल्स पॉसिबल है?
No,
नो
sir.
कि आप e टू पावर x अपॉन y देखिए, तो वो आप उसके टुकड़े नहीं कर सकते, है ना? यू कैन नॉट मेक 2 टर्म्स आउट ऑफ दैट, सो यू कैन नॉट सेपरेट द वेरिएबल्स। सो सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते, तो हमें होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। उसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि हम पहले dy अपॉन dx या dx अपॉन dy निकालते हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे x अपॉन y है, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ y इक्वल टू vx, x इक्वल टू vy विल बी बेटर। सो dx अपॉन dy फाइंड आउट करता हूँ, तो dx ये रहा, dy अपॉन में यहां से ले आया और इसको अपॉन में भेज देता हूं। ठीक है, 2 टर्म्स यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर लेता हूं, ये बन गया e टू पावर x अपॉन y, कैंसिल x अपॉन y प्लस y इंटू y अपॉन e टू पावर x अपॉन y। नाउ पुटिंग x इक्वल टू वी वाई, तो मुझे dx अपॉन dy भी पुट करना पड़ेगा, तो dx अपॉन dy विल बी इंटीग्रेशन बाय प्रोडक्ट रूल ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन, v इंटू y का y के रिस्पेक्ट में 1 प्लस y एज इट इज dv अपॉन dy, पुट करा देते हैं यहाँ पे। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी v प्लस y dv अपॉन dy इक्वल्स टू x की जगह पे vy होल अपॉन y प्लस y whole upon e to power v, y upon y get cancelled, so this is going to be v plus y dv upon dy equals to v plus y into e to power minus v. We also get cancelled from both the sides, and now separate the variables, try separating the variables. Even y also cancelled from both the sides, है ना? dv upon dy equals to e to power minus v. Separate the variables, so 1 upon e to power minus v, e to power v dv is equal to dy, so e to power v equal to y plus c, v was x upon y, है ना? Students, check the answer, is this right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? प्लस सी अगर हो सकता है उन्होंने इधर ऐड किया हो, तो दैट डजंट मैटर। इसमें x और y की वैल्यूज तो नहीं गिवन है ना? नहीं, I don't think. Yes. So this was the question. Let us see the next question, 11th question. Aditya Gaur, can you read the next 11th question? Aditya Kumar Gaur. Aditya Gaur perhaps is not there. Dev Sharma, can you read the next question, 11th question? देव शर्मा और दक्षिता सुवालका और भरत कुमार। देव, दक्षिता और भरत। Bharat is active. Bharat, question number 11th.
Yes, sir. Find a particular solution of differential equation.
Yes.
X minus y.
Yes.
Into dx plus dy.
Into dx
plus dy.
plus dy.
ये भी ब्रैकेट में है। सर ये ब्रैकेट में है, dx plus dy.
Oh, this also is bracket. Okay.
Equal to dx minus dy. Given that y equal to -1 when x equal to 0.
Y equal to -1 when x equal to
0.
0. So this equation I have to solve. Your suggestion, Bharat, what should I do here? Any suggestion? Any other student also can suggest me. What should I do here?
सर पहले तो मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे अंदर।
मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, dx अपॉन dy निकालते हैं, तो उसके लिए पूरा मल्टीप्लाई चाहिए होगा, x dx प्लस x dy माइनस y dx minus y dy equal to dx minus dy. Now collect all dx's. So x minus y minus 1 into dx. Then what next? Plus dy x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Check, is this right? I have written plus 1 actually. Correct it is. Now further what should I do? How to solve it? So dy into x minus y minus 1 equal to what? Minus dx into x minus y minus 1. So dy upon dx equals to x minus y minus 1 minus का whole upon x, dy ये plus है, plus 1. Students, how to solve it? Any suggestion? इसको कैसे सॉल्व करें? Any suggestion? देखते हैं कौन बताता है इसको. Any suggestion how to solve it? See, separation of variables is not possible. Homogeneous differential equation, its degree of every term is not same. So y equal to vx may not help. Here we can put x minus y equal to t. That will be better. Let x minus y equal to t. So 1 minus dy upon dx equal to dt upon dx. So dy upon dx equal to 1 minus dt upon dx. So this is going to be 1 minus dt upon dx equal to minus t minus 1 upon t plus 1. And then what next? Then this will become 1 plus t minus 1 upon t plus 1 is equal to dt upon dx. So if I take LCM, 2t upon t plus 1 equal to dt upon dx. Then separate the variables. T plus 1 dt upon t is equal to 2 dx. Integrate. Here it becomes 1 dt plus 1 upon t dt equal to 2x plus c. T plus log t equal to 2x plus c. T was how much? X minus y. So x minus y plus log x minus y equal to 2x plus c. If I take then some value was given. How much was the value given, students? What were the values given? Y equal to minus 1, then
minus 1, x equal to 0.
X equal to 0. Put it there. So 0 plus 1 plus log 0 plus minus plus 1 equal to 2 into 0 plus c. So c is equal to log 1 is also 0. So c is equal to 1. So my answer is 2x को भी left में ले लेते हैं. X minus 2x will be minus x minus y plus log x minus y is equal to 1. This should be the answer. So check, students, is this right? They probably have shifted. Is this right? Check, students. I can shift on the other side. Check. Now is this right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, we have a better method of solving this question. Can someone read this question again? Because this took some more steps. It could have been solved in easier way. Let us see one more way of solving. Nutan, can you read the next, repeat this question?
Yes, sir.
10th it is. Which question?
11th.
11th, huh?
Find a particular solution of the
Hmm.
differential equation
Hmm.
x minus y
Huh.
into dx plus dy
Yeah.
equals to dx minus dy.
Check. I have written correct on board.
Yes, sir.
See, what I am saying, one more method, that what you can do, this dx plus dy, you write d of x plus y, like this. And d of x minus d of y, you write d of x minus y. Right. Now, x minus y equal to t. Simple. Or you don't put direct also, you can do. Now separate the variable. D x minus y you bring in the this side. So just treat x plus y as a single variable, x minus y as a single variable. ठीक है, इंटीग्रेट करा दे. लेफ्ट साइड कितना हो जाएगा इंटीग्रेट करने पे? Students, this will become how much? Anyone? Integral d of x plus y will become how much? Integral dx becomes how much? Integral dx becomes how much?
X.
X. Integral dx is x. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा?
X plus y.
X plus y it will be. See, integral and d both are opposite process of each other. तो दोनों remove हो जाएंगे. X plus y will remove. Equal to, this will be how much? You should know that integral 1 upon t dt is how much? It is that kind of work will be applied here. This will become how much?
Log x minus y.
Log x minus y. Equal to t, you can put x minus y. So that also not needed. Log x minus y plus c. And here I receive my final answer. है ना? आप कहेंगे कि नहीं जी वहां पे 1 भी था तो c की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं. Now let x equal to 0, y equal to -1. वो वर्क काफी आसान है यहाँ पे, है ना? So c equal to -1 here, and here you get x plus y equal to log x minus y minus 1. That is the same thing which you received earlier. Correct? So this is a much shorter method than the previous. Next question पे बात कर लेते हैं. You please complete. You can do in both ways. Hitesh Chaudhary, can you read the next question? 12th question. Hitesh Chaudhary or Harsh Kumar Singh Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Harsh is active. Harsh is very good student and he is very consistent. Harsh Kumar Singh, can you read the next question? 12th.
Yes, sir. Solve the differential equation e to the power -2 root x.
E to power minus
2 root x.
2 root x, yes.
Upon root x.
Yes.
Minus y root x. Y by root x.
Y upon.
Yes, sir.
Y upon root x, okay.
In bracket dxy dy.
Dx by dy
is equals to 1.
Equals to 1. I have to solve it. Separation of variables is possible or not? You can try. I don't think. And मुझे homogeneity के भी कुछ chance नहीं दिख रहे हैं. Linear differential equation की जरूर मुझे smell आ रही है. आप देखिए है ना, हमें सीक्वेंस वही अप्लाई करने का. 3 मेथड्स से हमने पढ़े. सो सबसे पहले हम सेपरेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल्स ट्राई करेंगे. आप देखिए, डोंट थिंक. लेट मी फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट dy अपॉन x. उसको उधर ले जाता हूं. सो dy अपॉन dx इट विल बिकम इक्वल टू e to power -2 root x upon root x minus y upon root x. If I shift this term on the left hand side, it will become standard linear differential equation structure. Can someone tell me what is the formula for standard linear differential equation? Harsh, do you remember? Harsh Kumar Singh Raghav, do you remember? Standard linear differential equation का हमने एक formula लिखा था सबसे पहले जब हम पढ़ रहे थे. What was that? You remember?
So dy by dx plus py is equals to q.
Yes, dy by dx
Plus
plus
py is equals to
py
q.
equal to q. That was linear differential equation. So here it is same structure. So this is also linear differential equation. Write your p. P is how much here? P is y multiplied
by root x.
1 upon root x. And q is the right hand side. Right. Then to solve it, if you remember, we used to find integrating factor. So here also let us find out integrating factor. Integrating factor will become e to power integral p dx. This will become e to power integral p is how much? P is 1 upon root x dx. 1 upon root x, you know how to integrate? E to power x to power minus half dx. X to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. X to power minus half plus 1. X to power half upon half. So e to power 2 root x. 2 root x. This is my if. Now solution is given by what is the solution? Y into if. Let me write the formula equal to q into if dx plus c. Put the value of integrating factor equal to integral q. Q is this. E to power minus 2 root x, e to power plus 2 root x, e to power 0, 1. So this becomes integral x to power minus half. 1 upon root x I have written, x to power minus half dx plus c. And x to power minus half you integrate. This will become y into e to power 2 root x equal to x to power half upon half plus c. And can I do here? Yes. This will become y into e to power 2 root x equal to 2 root x plus c. Check the answer, students, or a particular solution we have to find out. No, particular
Right,
solution.
sir.
This only is the
Correct.
general. Check the answer. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. So we applied this linear differential equation formula here. है ना? फ्रेंड्स हमने 3 मेथड्स पढ़े हैं. कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें? सीक्वेंस में अप्लाई करने हैं. पहले हमें सेपरेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल्स यहाँ पे ट्राई करने की कोशिश करो. Will not be possible. Then y equal to vx, homogeneous differential equation method. It is not something like degree of each term is same in numerator and denominator, right? Yeah, purely a function of y upon x. ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. So that is why I did not think of applying homogeneous method. I was this structure I could see this standard structure. ठीक है? And then इसके steps मैंने follow कर लिए. That's it. So this completes the solution. It was question number 12th. Still in this exercise, there are some questions. I think it's good if we take one more session on this, or you also can give a try on your own. These all next coming questions, right, students? We'll conclude it in the next class. And thank you. Bye bye. Keep your work complete. And keep learning, keep enjoying, keep asking your doubts to me. Thank you.